Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a very tasty and yummy yam balls. This video was inspired by all Nigerian recipes. After watching these yam balls on her channel, I decided to give it a try because of how she was praising the yam balls. She said after making it, if you eat it and you don't like it, you should come and beat her. So that motivated me to go on and make this. So we will actually see whether it tastes so good as she claims. So for this recipe you will need yam, of course, and here as you can see I have peeled, cut and washed my yam, and I just added some salt and some water to almost the same level as the yam. Then I'm going to place the pot on fire and allow the yam to cook. Here I've got half red bell pepper, half scotch bonnet pepper, half red onion, aromat, some cooking oil. You remember this oil. You will need pig milk. Pig milk is essential for this recipe, so you need it. You will need some butter and 3 eggs. So we are going to cook 2 out of the 3 eggs. Just add the eggs in the pot, add enough water, cover it and place it on fire and allow the egg to cook for about 8 minutes. So I'm just adding the aromat. I forgot to add it earlier, so I'm adding it now. I'm going to stir it and then I'll cover the pot and allow the yam to cook evenly. So you are supposed to allow the water to dry up completely, and as you can see mine has started burning already because I left it to go attend to my kids. So please, when you are making this, keep an eye on your yam so as to avoid burning. So we are going to pour some of the cooking oil in a frying pan, add the onion, saute for about 30 seconds, and then add the red bell pepper and the scotch bonnet pepper. We are going to fry this for 2 minutes and set that aside. So here is the yam. I just added it into a bowl and I'm going to start mashing the yam with a potato masher. So we are going to add some butter to this, and I think I added a little bit more butter. I think this is too much for the quantity of yam I'm making, so when you are making yours you should add a little butter. You can check her video out. I will leave the link to her yam balls video down the description box below, so you can go and check her own video because she has a very detailed information on that video, so you make sure you check it out. So I just added some of the pig milk. If you don't have pig milk, you can as well use any milk of your choice, but I think there is a very nice flavor that the pig milk gives to these yam balls and a very yummy taste as well. So after mixing everything, we are going to add the fried peppers and the onion. Mix that very well until everything is well combined, then set that aside. So the eggs are cooked now. I'm just peeling it and cutting it into small pieces. So I just added some oil into a pot and I'm just going to leave it there to heat up, and while the oil is heating up we are going to go and mold our yam balls. This is a very fun part for me. I love this part. So you're supposed to take some yam and place the egg in the middle, cover it with the yam again and mold it into balls, just like what I'm doing here. It is very easy and simple. So these are my yam balls. They are ready to be fried, but before then we are going to crack in the remaining egg into a plate Just beat it a little bit and then throw in the yam ball. Just roll it into the egg until it's coated with the egg, and then place it in the heated oil. By now your oil should have been hot. So this oil, I've used it to fry for like 2 or 3 times, so that's why the color is like this. Now once the yam ball starts turning to golden brown like so, you will take it out of the heat. Okay, now we are done frying the yam balls, and this is what they look like. But this is what happened. I don't know why this happened. These two scattered, but it's fine. So we are going to taste the yam balls. It is time for the taste test. Moment of truth. So guys, to be honest, these yam balls really turned out so great, and you should give it a try. Trust me, it was so yummy. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.